Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you best free software to monitor drive temperature, condition and remaining lifespan in Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly just open any web browser and Google search for one application named as PC internals. And the first list you'll see its official website. Just click on it. Now click on this download option. So finally the file has been downloaded, so let me go to the folder where it's being downloaded and let me close this web browser. Now just double click it to run this software installer. Click on OK, click on next, click on I accept, click on next, click on next, click on next, click on next, click on install. Now just click on finish and wait for a few seconds. So here just put your email and click on register for free. Click on OK. Now here you will see various options on the above. The first one is the system. So here it will show all the details regarding your operating system, your computers, man boards, even the graphics cards informations you will see here on the first option, and next to it is drives. So now under drives options you will see various informations regarding about your drive, and on the right side you can see the conditions. So right now in my case the remaining lifespan is not showing up since I'm not monitoring it right now, so I need to set up monitoring in order to check my remaining lifespan. And below you can see my drive's temperature. As you can see here, drive temperature, and below there is some information regarding the storage. So here you will see all the information regarding the drives, and next to it is a processor. You can check about the processors informations here. Next to it is a RAM, and the last one is the regarding the graphics processing unit, that is the GPU. So in my opinion, it's one of the best free software to monitor drive temperature, condition and remaining lifespan in Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.